What's up, Tinks? Y'all, I got a box. I took the week off of lifting because I just needed a reset, and I'm ready to get back into it. That comes with buying more supplements. Let's get into what's in the box. First things first, we got a free gift. Yeah. Look at this. So I got my stuff from EHP Labs. Ooh, okay, focus. There it is. I got one of these little mixer thingy dingies. First thing that I need to get back on, and I want to get back on, is my protein. So I got, look at this, it's dented. Can we fix it? Ugh! Okay, it don't look good. This looks bad. The packaging is damaged. Our packaging is damaged, but it's okay. I've heard this is really good. It's a really good flavor. I got the Blessed Plant Protein Ghostbusters flavor. I usually get vanilla chai, but I'm being adventurous and I love marshmallows, so this is bothering me. Does this bother anybody else? So messed up. Okay, that's number one. Next thing I got is my Oxy Greens. I haven't been taking my Oxy Greens like at all because the flavor I currently have I don't really like. But this one right here, pineapple, is the shiz naive, okay? The shizzle, my nizzle on the track with the big Snoop Dizzle. That's probably not how that song goes. But anyways, these, I absolutely love these, and I can't wait to reincorporate this back into my life and my schedule. Creatine. Okay, I love me some creatine. All right, this has definitely been helping my pump. I take it with my pre-workout, so I take OxyShred. Yeah, love this. Helps with my muscle performance while I work out, and also helps me build muscle mass. And I got one new thing that I haven't tried yet that I'm super excited to, try, get into, because the gains are going to be gaining with this. You girl got some glutamine. What did you see? Just what happened right there? Okay, don't be distracted. Don't be distracted. Glutamine. I'm so excited. Yo, the glute gains are about to go crazy. Crazy. They're gonna go crazy. They just are. So yeah, I'm super excited. Okay, see that? Quite clear. You get it. You get it. You get it. But yeah, I'm super excited for this. So this is my haul. So stay tuned for the gains.